My name is Omar Vasquez and I'm here in Paris, France.
Super excited to go to France for the very first time. So I didn't mention it before, but we're really tired because we haven't slept more than a couple hours on the bus. Probably gonna pass out as soon as they close the door. We're here right now and we're going directly to Ori, which is France. We're an hour away. I'm so tired still. Bye, thank you. Bye, thank you. It's our first meal in France. Obviously, I had to buy a croissant. Oh, it is really tiny. These kind of cold. Wait, were you cold? Yes. Yeah, okay. I'll take what I can get. Then we're breaking into a place. How do I unlock the door? It's a key. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is warm here. Oh, that's the dog from... This is what Paris looks like. Oh, this is the bathroom. Oh. Marche or arrête. And you press this thing. Oh, there you go. I was really tired. I completely passed out. Now it's almost 9 p.m. and I want to see the Eiffel Tower at night because it's where all the lights are. The humongous thing in front of you.
Merci.
We're going up the Eiffel Tower.
Actually, no.
What is that light doing now? Is that supposed to be like searching for somebody? Oh, that is the one for the Devil Wears Prada, right? Where that is the one for the Devil Wears Prada. Because this is the entire reason why I came here.
No.
Okay, so we're gonna go there though. Anyways, we're right here in France. We're in Paris. It's about 10 p.m. Go to the other area. We haven't even gone all the way there, but it's just like mesmerizing for pictures. I mean, look at this view. It's beautiful. We're gonna go all the way to the summit.
So much higher.
Yeah, that's what. What?
I don't know if it's high.
This is awesome.
It looked more fun.
All the way to the top. Look at that. We're gonna go all the way to the summit, barely making it because they're gonna close pretty soon. It's really beautiful, but it's also very windy. I can just imagine how the summit is gonna be. Can't beat these people. This is at the top of the Eiffel Tower. Okay, this is kind of creepy. Oh, it's really cold in here, but it definitely is a beautiful view. I'm gonna come here tomorrow morning, that way I can actually see the sunrise. It is really cold though.
Il faut le faire. Il faut aller tout de suite au premier parce qu'il ferme à 23h.
Okay, so now we're going
Oui, c'est ce qu'on va faire. Ouais. Bon après,
it's kind of late. Hopefully there's like a place for us to eat, because apparently all the places close at it. Are you hungry?
Oui, mais je veux dire là où le prochain.
I hope there's like a Papa John's or something. I mean, it has to be.
Oui, en fait, de nuit.
Thank you. We're gonna me some crepes by the Eiffel Tower. I accidentally saw this place and I was like, oh my god, I'm so hungry. We have to. I'm gonna eat some crepes. That's how they pronounce it. Crepes in here. Crepes. And there's actually hot dogs in here too as well. It looks so yummy. And this is kind of like a weird hot dog, which I actually like. Obviously, it's not like an American hot dog. Some people usually put mayo in their fries in here, so that's what I did. The French thing to do. Super late today because I was so tired. But I'm gonna see if I can see the Eiffel Tower from the terrace. Oh, you know it's not that way? No. No. I'm trying to figure out where we're going right now because we don't have internet. Do you understand anything in the menu? Los grandes salad. That's how you pronounce it. That is exactly how you pronounce it. So it took us some time to decide what to order. We came here and now we're a little confused by the menu. How does your fancy drink taste? Let me see that. What? Why does it say sugar daddy? So it means sugar daddy. Anyways, that's your drink is super fancy, but it's kind of gross that it doesn't have any sugar in it. I don't know why. How can you drink something like that?
How can you not?
I think we made a really good choice. Look at this plate. This is duck. That's the duck right there. Really fancy. So what is that?
It's chicken. So creamy.
Okay. It got a lot colder when we got out. Coffee was kind of weird.
How is it weird?
It's because it didn't have sugar. Look at that pigeon. That's a minus. Okay, so I took that fell. So I took very few pictures of it because she's kind of cold. So I'm like, okay, we have
very bad.
But it was nice. It is kind of cold though. For some reason, it says that we're at 50, which is pretty much where we come from, Richmond, Virginia, like the same temperature. But it feels like it's way colder. It feels like it's freezing temperature. We're gonna find out. To regroup and see what we're gonna do next because we're gonna go to London tomorrow. So we have to go find out how we're gonna get to the UK because we haven't. We don't. Yeah, that's the famous landmark. What is it called? Can you tell me? Mark the Trump. Arc the Trump. And we are crossing, and it's raining. About that. Do you want to cross? Anyway, that's where we ate earlier. We're just backtracking our steps so we can go back to the Airbnb hotel /